Okay, I want to give you some extra information about numbers that will make learning the numbers for you easier. So the numbers 1 to 20 you just have to learn, right? But after the numbers 1 to 20, a sudden structure is appearing. So here you will see on the left hand side, you see the numbers, right? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's a structure in that. So in the mixed numbers from 20, the last number is mentioned first. So you saw that already, right? So we can, for example, if we look at 24, so in English we say 24, but in Dutch actually we do it differently. We say 24, which means 4 and 20. And the number is written as one word, but many times you won't write the word, right? Even I don't write the numbers as words. I write them just as 24, right? With 2 letters, yeah. So, and note that a trema, so that's a little dot, is used above the letters. So it is used in the numbers 22 and 63, for example. But I would say forget about that. The most important thing for you is to get the numbers right. So what we do in Dutch, after the number 20, let's say, the structure is we say first the number at the last, and then we say and then we say where you are. So it sounds complicated, but I'll show you here. For example, we are now at 20, right? So 20. So now I want to say 21. So in Dutch, we say then 1 and 20. So that looks the following. That looks 1 and 20. So what do you think the next one is? The next one is 2 and 20. And there the little trema appears. Then the next one is 3 and 20. 4 and 20. 5 and 20, 6 and 20, 7 and 20, 8 and 20, 9 and 20. And then we go to 30. But then if we do 31, that's exactly the same as this structure that I showed you, right? 1 and 30, 2 and 30, 3 and 30. So we do the same thing. For 40, we do the same. For 50, we do the same. 60, 70, 80, 90, we do exactly the same thing over and over again. We mention first the number, for example, 21, 1 and 20. So that is a little bit about the structure after the numbers 20. So if you make sure you know numbers 1 to 20, then you know the different blocks of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Then you can basically make all the numbers. It's quite a logical setup. All right, good job, hang in there.